With additional COVID vaccine doses expected in the coming weeks, New York State is expanding those qualified to get the vaccine to include restaurant employees.
Tonight we do have live team coverage on the vaccine distribution here in the Twin Tiers. 18 News reporter Tai Wong joining us live from our satellite center with the latest on the vaccine expansion efforts the governor announced just yesterday. And 18 News reporter Chelsea Lavelle is live in our newsroom with what future advances that we could actually be seeing in the vaccine. Let's start with Ty tonight. Ty, good evening. What can you tell us about this expanded vaccination list?
Yeah, good evening, Zach and Jordan. Now, yesterday, Governor Andrew Cuomo announced that local governments can expand their 1B vaccination distribution plans as long as it fits within their COVID-19 plans. Now, today, I spoke with local officials and a business owner about their thoughts on this change.
They can do that if they think it works within their prioritization.
In his latest efforts to get New York residents vaccinated, Governor Cuomo is allowing local governments to vaccinate restaurant workers. Before Tuesday, only residents 65 years and older, frontline workers, and first responders were allowed to get the vaccine. Schuyler County Administrator Tim O'Hearn says he's happy for more local discretion.
The county legislature actually met this morning and unanimously supports adding this new group, the restaurant workers, public-facing restaurant workers, and other public transit workers.
O'Hearn says they plan to vaccinate those newly eligible starting next week upon receiving more vaccines. Meanwhile, in Steuben County, County Manager Jack Wheeler says they're planning on expanding vaccinations, but again, it depends on how much the counties are allocated.
They are an eligible group now, and that's what we've been following. I would say that their inclusion and how quickly we can hit that population, all depends upon our vaccine distribution.
Wheeler says they're given 200 vaccines per week, with over 6,000 residents in the 1B group needing to be vaccinated. Owner of Slam and Jam and Barbecue, Ben Lewis, says he thinks this is a great idea.
I think it's a phenomenal idea. Everybody needs help. The hospital needs help. As soon as we can get all this vaccine and get everybody vaccinated, it's going to be great.
Lewis says business and staffing has not been easy.
It's very hard to have people come into work. Labor is very tough.
He says hopefully this makes his staff feel more comfortable to come back and work. Now, Lewis also says that he's not going to make it mandatory for his staff to get vaccinated unless he's told otherwise by the government.